Be ready. Start. The seniority on re-promotion of an officer reduced to a lower post or time scale should be determined by the date of such re-promotion in accordance with the orders issued by the competent authority on the subject of seniority. Stop. Such an officer should not be restored to his original position unless this is specifically laid down at the time of punishment is passed or revised on appeal. Stop. An officer in respect of whom one of the penalties included in Rule 4 was imposed will on re-promotion count previous service in the higher grade under Rule 4.4 of the Punjab Civil Services Rules, Volume 1, Part 1, unless the order of punishment or the order passed on appeal directs otherwise. Stop. An order debarring an officer from counting his past service in the grade from which he is reduced, if and when reappointed to it, amounts to an order of reduction to a stage of that grade lower than that admissible under Rule 4.4 of the Punjab Civil Services Rules, Volume 1, Part 1, and does not therefore fall outside the scope of Rule 4. Stop. Unauthorized discertain of this post by a public servant in the face of enemy action or threat of enemy action clearly amount to grave misconduct and would therefore constitute a good and sufficient reasons with the meaning of Rule 4 for removal of dismissal in addition to any penalty provided in the First Punjab Essential Services Act 1947. Stop. Loss of pension would then follow automatically in virtue of the provisions of Rule 2.5 of the Punjab Civil Services Rule. Stop. Volume 2, and it would also be possible to forfeit government contribution, if any, to the individual provident fund. Stop. Over.